Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best Orly nail polishes. The Orly Breathable Nail Lacquer in the stunning shade, Clay It Ain't So, from the Spring 2022 collection. If you're someone who loves a good terracotta tone, then this color is going to be perfect for you. Orly is known for its unique breathable formula, which isn't just about aesthetics. It's designed with your nail health in mind. This polish is a combination of a base coat, color, and top coat all in one, making it incredibly convenient and time-saving for your manicure routine. It's infused with nourishing ingredients like argan oil, pro-vitamin B5, and vitamin C, which help to keep your nails healthy while also giving you that long-lasting, chip-resistant finish that everyone wants. The shade, Clay It Ain't So, is a warm, earthy terracotta color that blends neutral elegance with natural charm. It's the kind of color that fits perfectly for any season, not just spring, and brings a cozy confidence to your look. It's a grounded, sophisticated tone that will complement just about any outfit, whether you're dressing up for an event or keeping it casual. The formula is easy to apply, dries fast, and offers full coverage with just a couple of coats. Plus, the breathable design means your nails can breathe, keeping them healthy while looking gorgeous. Whether you're at home or at a salon, this polish provides salon-quality results without any of the hassle. At 0.6 ounces per bottle, it's just the right size for frequent use, and the fact that it's non-toxic makes it even better for those who are mindful of what goes onto their nails. Orly has really thought of everything when it comes to providing a product that not only looks good but feels good for your nails too. If you're looking to upgrade your nail game with something that's easy to use, long-lasting, and good for your nails, the Orly Breathable Nail Lacquer in Clay It Ain't So is definitely a product you should check out. Make sure to grab it from Amazon and enjoy a manicure that lasts and keeps your nails healthy at the same time. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more product critiques. Stay tuned for more exciting reviews right here on Product Critique.